Hi, do you want to make money during this Christmas season? Yes, this is the video for you. Let's make money through making these flowers for our Christmas decorations. So this one is one of those that I've made and I'm sharing it with you today. So let's get started. Make your ring, chain 3, make a double crochet, 3 double crochet cluster, chain 2 into the same ring. You're going to do this until when you get a set of 4 double crochet clusters in the ring. Close your ring tightly, chain 2 and slip stitch on top of the first chain of 3. Slip stitch until when you get to your first corner, chain 3, so basically we are making a granny square. As you can see, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 1 into the next corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2 in between, continue until when you get to this point. So this is our second row done. We have our 4 corners. We are going to continue and add 2 more rows. In the chain 1 space, you put a cluster of 3 double crochet here and here. Here you repeat 3, 2, chain 2 and 3 double crochet together. So let's continue. Chain 2, this being a corner, we chain 2, chain 1 into our chain 1 space, put 3 double crochet, two and 3, chain 1 again into the corner, repeat what you did in the first corner or what you've been doing in the previous row. I'll get you after completing all the 4 rows. This is the 3rd row. This is the 2nd row. This one does not count. Count this and this, then add 2 more. Now we have all our rows. This is our granny square. So our next step is to turn this into a decoration. Wow, that sounds beautiful. We are going to turn this into a Christmas decoration, and that will be a Christmas tree. Now that we have our square, we are going to turn it into a Christmas tree, like this one here. So this is how we do it. Cut your yarn, fasten your square, turn your square to the long side. Need to fasten this in first. Hide this and cut the yarn. Now you're gonna need a darning needle, so this is how you fold your square. You're going to bring this corner and this corner plus this one. Join these three corners together, and after joining them you flip over and add this other part to make it a Christmas tree. So let's go ahead and join these three corners, leaving one. After sewing this part, you go ahead and join this part as well. So we are joining this part also. Just to make our Christmas tree look beautiful and in one place. Now we have our tree. It only needs a stain, this, and we are going to add it on the way we did with this one. So let's go ahead and I show you how to add this on our tree. Get your different color from this one just to give it a look. Get a color that's different from what you use the square. Grab your yarn, find any point here in the middle, Fasten your yarn. We are going to be making single crochet, so chain 1, make a single crochet into the next point, make another single crochet into the next point, make another single crochet those are enough because we're putting this in the middle. Chain 1, turn your work, make a single crochet into each and every single crochet that you made, like this. Very simple, easy, fast. Chain 1, just like that, and you have made yourself a beautiful Christmas tree. Just like that, you have yourself a beautiful Christmas tree. You can make as many as you want and decorate your house. This Christmas, you don't need to spend on decorations when you can make them cheaply in your living room, just like I did. So this tutorial is all about saving this Christmas season. There you are, and it is done. You have your beautiful Christmas trees for decoration. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Please give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video. I'll be bringing you more crochet decorations for this Christmas. This is the second one. The first one was a star and it's already on my channel. Please check it out. Thank you. Bye bye.